Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready. Because you know what time it is. It's time for the Sonic Ring Boys, aka Audience, to put those supersonic toes to the pavement. Supersonic toes in the lake of fire. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Audience down? Or will the Audience do what they love to do? Douse those toes in gasoline, shove them down the devil's throat, and sizzle that esophagus and make the boys in blue look like clowns. Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get downright sinister. Shout out to the Audience. Let's see what y'all can do today, baby. The Sonic Ring Boys. What's that, a TT? An Audi TT? Yeah, that's an Audi TT. Those little things is quick. Pull over, punk. We just wanna talk. You wanna come on down to the station with us? We wanna have a conversation with you. He did this. He did stop the car. Turn it off, punk.
Turn off your car.
Yeah, but do. Body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my supersonic toes, devil. I hope you're ready. He out of there. No time to waste. Okay, let's see what that TT can do. Let's see what the TT can do. Oh, he pulling away. What kind of Charger is they in? I know they ain't in a super extreme trash, even in California. Come on, man. Y'all can't catch a break. Getting dusted by Audi TT is diabolical. My boy in the Audi TT running from the truth like us. We know Whitney was smoking that rock. We know she was on that rock. Thanks a lot, Bobby. Bobby, you ruined our girl. I'm blaming Bobby Brown. Who's with me? Bobby Brown, he ruined Whitney. Oh, he moving. What kind of lights is those on the back of that Audi TT? Look at that little doo-doo can. Get busy. Why does he got the strobe light on? Take that light off, dude. What are you doing? Probably because he can't keep up with him, T-Light, so he got to put the light on him. I see you, flashlight cop. That Audi getting busy on him, though. He can't even keep up with it. They need better cars, man. The police got to get some better cars, man. They can't even keep up with an Audi TT. What's that, got a 2.0 motor in it? He's smoking these cops. Man, he getting little on them. Get nasty with it like your baby mama, just nasty with it. We love her in the hood. We call her a flipper.
Be right.
Man, I don't even see him no more. Where'd he go? Uh-oh, it ain't looking good, y'all. It's looking good for us, but it ain't looking good for the boys in blue. Man, he smoked that cop. That's embarrassing. 1022. He ain't called it 1022 yet? Call it 1022, man. Turn the car. You wasting our gas. Turn it off, bro. We can't afford it right now. Turn the car lights off. Go get you some donuts and coffee. The walk of shame. You belong to it. He got little on him and vanished into thin air. He's gone, y'all. He's on Earth 63, chilling. He's chilling on Earth 63 with the Jedi. Because he just pulled a Jedi mind trick on these boys. Why has he got the light focus in the... So he hiding in the trees? Diabolical. What does it say? Let's see what it say. He said, I drove back to Deluxe Motel and I contacted the front desk employee, aka he contacted the front desk snitch, and asked him if he knew who was driving the Audi. The front desk employee showed me several security videos of the motel parking lot. I observed through the video Robinson coming out of the room. So his name was Robinson. He didn't catch him, but the snitch at the hotel, Sir Snitchimus, told all he needed to know. Robinson, if you in the jail because the hotel clerk snitched on you, go back and do what you gotta do. I'm not telling you to do it. I'm just saying allegedly the hotel clerk told on you. Diabolical. Meet me in the comments. I see you, Audi. Y'all put those supersonic toes all the way down to the depths of hell, into the abyss, never to be seen again. Turn the Stargate on, because here comes an Audian. He got busy on him. He played no games. He got real busy. He was in the Audi TT. Do they make RS versions of the Audi TT? Do they even still make the Audi TT? I'm not for sure if they still make the Audi TT. I think it's called a TT if I'm not mistaken. I like those little cars, man. They little, especially the drop top versions. Those definitely look good. But I don't know if they still make those. Werewolf Pack, do they still make the Audi TT? And do they make it in a RS version? Because I'm pretty sure if they make a RS version, that thing was quick. This might have been the RS version because he got little on them police quick. That Charger didn't stand a chance. Look at him turn the light on. Why are you even turning the light on though, bro? If you can't keep up with him in the car, just turn the lights off. It's okay. It's okay to turn the lights off, officer. You can't keep up with him. It's not your fault. It's the station's fault. They didn't give y'all the right equipment. If you can't keep up with an Audi TT, just you probably want to go to Texas where you can get you a better cop cruiser, man. You might want to leave California, man, because they giving y'all some pure D garbage. But with that being said, hopefully y'all enjoyed the police chase. It was a quick one, man. I had to give y'all something quick. I had to give y'all the Audians. Big shout out to the Audians. Y'all been looking real fantastic in 2026. I cannot lie. Y'all definitely up there with the Moparians and the Beamer boys. Everybody doing good this year, man. Everybody is really representing, trying to make it happen. But then again, they doing bad too, because we done seen a couple bad ones, but we even got the dirt bikians out here acting a fool. The ATVians, the four-wheelians. We got everybody. We giving everybody a shot on this channel. We don't care what kind of car you driving. Everybody get a shot on this channel to make a name for yourself. We love everybody and all cars. We don't discriminate. We don't just do police chases on Mopars. We do police chases of everybody. Everybody get love here. If you're in a pickup truck and you're doing your thing, you get love here. But with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Give a brother some of them hype points. Can I get a few of those hype points? I'm over here fiending. I'm trying to kick this addiction, but I can't stop. Every day I need those hype points because I'm fiending. I'm just playing, man, but big shout out to y'all. If y'all do give me some hype points, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, if you're a Werewolf Pack member, can you please like the video? Can you please like this video and share it if you can? But if not, I just appreciate you watching it. Big love to y'all. And with that being said, I'm going to leave you with some positivity. A wise man once told me, shout out to Uncle Troy, don't let nobody, and I mean absolutely nobody, trick you out of your position. So I'm going to relay this information to the Werewolf Pack. Don't you ever let somebody trick you out of your position. You work too hard to get to where you at. So don't be letting those haters, the negative Neds and the negative Nancys, work their way into your life so they can destroy your life, because they want you to be miserable like them. Do you want to be miserable, or do you like the life that you're working for, or the life that you have achieved? We all in different places in the Werewolf Pack. Some of us is winning a little more than others, and some of us is losing a little more than others. But we still a Werewolf Pack, and we still got to hold each other accountable, and we still got to look out for each other. Listen, I love you. Stop letting people trick you out of your position. Stop trying to impress people that don't matter. They don't matter. Stop trying to impress them. They're not even worth impressing. Impress yourself and keep winning. I love you, Werewolf Pack. Be safe out there. And listen, we don't condone running from the boys in blue, but we will give you our honest opinion of the police chase that we just watched. I'll try to explain why they ran, what they ran in, and if you should buy one of these vehicles that they ran in. I just want to give my honest opinion of what I saw. But with that being said, if you are going to be a diabolic, a goofy goofball, can you please, and listen to me now, can you please get you an Audi TT?